Superstitions, not superstitions, it depends on their whether they are reliable, logical reason or not. This is my first answer. Second answer, reliable, logical reason, it's also limited. You need to be making more clear. Maybe this is for your point of view, your own point of view, logical reason, reliable, which is reliable. But in fact, it's not that reliable. It's somehow some logic, but it's not so that logical. So then you go into further and further. At the end, we need to be logical reason or reason for the logical way of thinking, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Many reasons need to be behind. And it's carefully accept is crucial. That means if someone says, "Oh, that's wonderful," then I think, "Oh, this must be wonderful because he is a reliable person," or whatever. That's not enough. What he's saying, that other man, Turku or whatever, Gishi or whatever, is great. Why he is saying? Then I'm thinking, yeah, because he has very good connection with him. Therefore, from his own point of view, that one's very reliable Turku. But if you ask another one, they will say, "Oh, that's okay, he's okay." So this answer destroyed others' logical view. So therefore, whether it's how should I say, logical can be really logical answer, but cannot be. Not necessarily. It's extremely correct without having other arguments. That's difficult. Yes. And if I say following things, it may not be answer for clarified your answer, your question, but it may be more confused. But however, the Dalai Lama said in his Lamrim book, which I composed, which I put together. Maybe I mentioned already last time, I don't remember. There are 4 persons. Person A, B, C, D. Person A is teacher. Person B is his disciple. Person C is person A's good friend. Person D is person A's enemy. So then, now, what is the person A? Person A, from the point of view, person B is real Buddha, enlightened. For the person C, he's a very good fellow. Very joyful, very, very good fellow. Person D, he sees him the worst person. So what is the person A? Is person A a combination of devil and enlightened, or what? So therefore, we always need to say, it depends from what? From which point of view? From whose point of view? This is always like this. So therefore, whenever you see, for example, my teacher, I regard as whatever, but there's one word, German word, but I don't remember the English. Whatever I think is only for me. It's not necessarily for the others. The other have or has a different point of view, different attitude. So therefore it's difficult.